welcome back to the tutorial. Hope you all are safe at your homes. Again, today we will be doing some experiments. It's interesting now. Hope you are able to see. Today we are going to start with the proving of property of air, that it supports burning. So what are the things required? You can see there are two candles that are burning and one tumbler to show that air supports burning. Students, look, these two candles are burning. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to invert a tumbler over it. So what will happen? It stops burning. Slowly and slowly it stops burning. But this candle, it is still burning. So what do we observe? What is our observation? After some time, we will see that one candle on which we have not inverted the tumbler, it is still burning. But the other on which we have inverted this glass tumbler, this candle stops burning. Now why this happens? Look, you can see it is still burning because when we invert the tumbler over it, this is conclusion. When we invert the tumbler over this candle, the air supply is cut off. Now no more air supply is there. As a result, it stops burning. But this candle, it is still burning because it is still having the air supply. Right? Now whatever air was present in the glass, that was used by this candle to burn. You know, this candle slowly stops burning. Right? Why? Because whatever air was present inside the glass, it was used up. Okay? When this air is used up, now no more air supply is there, it stops burning. This shows that air is needed for burning. You can see this is still burning as there is proper air supply. Now one component is there, only oxygen is present in the air that is supporting the burning. Neither nitrogen nor carbon dioxide. Only oxygen is there in the air which is supporting the combustion. Right? This process is known as combustion. Burning is known as combustion. So this all you have to write in the ruled page. You have to do this in the practical file. And what to do in the plain page? In the plain page, same you have to do aim, things required, similar that you have written in the ruled page. Here you have to draw diagram. I think you are able to draw this diagram. You will draw the candle. Rather two candles. Here I am drawing two candles. Right? After this, you will show like this that this is burning. Candle 1. Candle 2. What you will do? You will invert a glass or a tumbler. Like this. It will show that it stops burning. It is not burning now. You can show like this also. It is still burning. It is not burning. Right? In this way you can draw the diagram on the plain page. Right? After this you have to write conclusion here. Hope you are able to do this practical in the practical file now. Right? This too you have to do in the practical file. But one more thing I want to show you today. This is not a practical. This you don't have to do in the practical file. This is from the concept that we did earlier in the class, that air occupies space. Air has few properties. One of the properties, air is transparent. This we all know. We are able to see each other. Why? Because air is transparent. If air is not transparent, we will not be able to see each other. right? Then number 2, we did air supports burning. This we had proved. Third is air occupies space. This we have to prove. For this, what I have taken, this is a trough. In it, I have taken the water. You can do it at your homes also. You can take the bucket or a bathtub. Fill it with water. I have not filled it up to its brim, but this much is sufficient. Now I am taking this tumbler, or you can take a mug at your home. Invert it upside down like this. What will happen? Will water go inside? No. Water will not go inside. Right? But if I tilt it, look, here bubbling sound is there, bubbles are there, and now the water is going inside. How it is possible? Because when I tilt the glass, when I tilt this tumbler, air it escapes. It tries to escape. Right? When it tries to escape, it forms bubbles. That gives the bubbling sound. And when it is escaped, now the glass was empty. Now the water is able to go inside. Right? Earlier, as you are not able to see anything inside it, it doesn't mean it does not have. It is having air inside it, which I already told you is transparent. Right? So it shows that air occupies space. Earlier, when you invert it upside down, why you were not able to, why the water was not able to enter the tumbler? Because this tumbler was filled with air that has occupied the space, and it did not allow the water to enter. Right? Hope this is clear to you. Rest of the topics will be covered in the class. Right? And take care of yourself. Wear mask at public